Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. I've got a gist for you. It's about IBAKATV-YORUBAPLAY, aka Portable. Your one and only Yeah, Zazu. The guy right now is still enjoying Dubai. Yes, as right now he's in the desert. Dubai. Only God knows what he's doing in the desert. But he was happy, with the breeze. He was there with his crew, and he was rocking his new X car, and he was so happy. They were dancing. I don't know, maybe the guy wanted to compose a song there, or he wanted to shoot a video there, but you can see they were just singing along to the new lyrics, and then everybody was happy, and they were singing, dancing there. The guy is having fun, honestly. We wish you well. Wish you all the best. IBAKATV-YORUBAPLAY, aka Portable. Idamu. So it's Damu there in Dubai desert. That's it about Ogigiola, guys.